Good morning, kiddos. We are going to do a little bit of a review for long division. So we're going to start in with some problems here. So number one, we're going to start out with 3 divided by 42. Okay, remember our steps here. We have divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. So does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Okay, and I'm just going to put the signs here so that we remember. Okay, so first things first, we're going to see how many times we need to start with 3. We're going to see how many times it goes into 4. So I know that 3 goes into 4 one time. Okay, then we're going to multiply. We're going to go to our next step. So 3 times 1 is 3. We're going to subtract just in this column. Oops. Notice how I don't have any other numbers written down in the ones column underneath my 2. So I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. I'm going to check to make sure that this is correct. I'm going to bring down. So now we're left with 12. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and do all of my steps all over again. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. I'm going to multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to subtract. And I'm left with 0. So my answer to this problem is 14. Okay, let's do another problem here. So I'm going to do 4 divided by 83. Okay, so I know that we're going to start with 4 dividing 4 into 8, so 4 goes into 8. If I skip count by 4, so 4, 8, it goes in 2 times. I'm down to my multiply step now. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to subtract. Okay, 8 minus 8 is 0. I'm going to check all of my work to make sure that's correct. I'm going to bring down my 3. Okay, now 4 goes into 3 0 times. We have to make sure that we have a number up here as a place value holder. Okay, so 4 goes into 3 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. And then I'm going to subtract. So my answer is 20, remainder 3. Okay, all right, let's keep plugging along here. So now I'm going to do a 3-digit number. So I'm going to take 5. It's going to be, let's go, 947. Okay, so same steps, we just have one more step to do. Okay, so 5 goes into 9. If I look at my multiplication chart, it only goes in once, because if I go in 2 times, it's 10, and that's too many. So 5 goes into 9 one time. I'm going to multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, then I'm going to bring down. 5 goes into 44 8 times. 5 times 8 is 40. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to bring this 7 down. Okay, 5 goes into 47. If I check my chart, it goes in 9 times because 5 times 9 is 45. I'm going to subtract, and I'm left with 2. All right, hopefully that gives you a little bit more